Hey, in this video we're gonna take a look at this DVD box to show you guys. This is Super Bowl xliv champions New Orleans and Saints and Chris Hardwick mandroid. You got some Dollar Tree today. Let's start with Super Bowl xliv champions New Orleans Saints. So NFL trophy collection. So it includes Bridgestone halftime show and featuring The Who. Here's a look at the front. You can see here. There's a spine in the back right here. The weight is extra content. There's Warner Brothers in it. It's narrated. There's NFL films and NFL Network. So yep, there's a 120 minutes. Let's open this. Here's disc of Super Bowl xliv champions New Orleans and Saints. So that's it. So let's go with Chris Hardwick mandroid. This one here, there's a spectacular first special. So number one, 10 cents. This extended, uncensored, and miss high fives. This DVD video. Here's a look at the front. You can see it. There's front artwork there. Here's the side, and there's the back. See, there's a bunch of features in there. There's some Pama pictures and Comedy Central. It is narrated in it. There's a lot of these words there. Let's get open. There's intergalactic artery. Here's a disc. So that is Super Bowl xliv champions New Orleans and Saints and Chris Hardwick mandroid. I am enjoyed this NFL and special. So this by Tigger. See you next time.